This language translation app right here was literally created using AI agent. Antigravity and Cloud AI literally helped me to create this kind of translation or language translation app right here showing on this your screen. And if I click on this app right here, advert, which is video advertisement, is running right here on this app, and I'm getting paid right there on AdMob. And I will show you everything right here, how you can create this kind of specific app right here, translate your app. You can publish this app on Google Play Store so that people can download it on Google Play Store and then watch video ad inside this app right here. And Google AdMob will literally pay you for everything right here. So this is the specific ad right here. So each of these ads right here, Google AdMob literally pays. Just imagine it is you, and everything right here is literally free. You can do this using AI agent. So right now, let's get started so that I can show you how you can create this specific app. It's literally very easy using AI agent, and I will show you how you can publish the app on Google Play Store and App Store. If you're just coming across my video at the first time, I am Willie, and the video that you're about to watch right here is just what I'm doing. So do well and smash that subscribe button, follow and like this video. Make sure I hear from you in the comment section, say hi Willie. Let's get started. So head over to your Chrome browser right here, search for Cloud AI just like this on your browser right here. So go ahead and make sure you are on this modem right here on this place, and then make sure you paste this prompt right here just like this, and then click on send message right here. Wait for Cloud AI to literally do its work right now. So this is right here. This is what we are literally looking for right here. Yes, it is doable. And then go ahead and also paste this prompt. So make sure you change this specific name right here from this prompt template right now to the specific app that you are about to create right here. And then you click on send message right here. So go ahead and copy all these prompts right here that Cloud AI literally generated for you right here. Then head over to Stitch right here. Go ahead and sign up an account right here. Make sure you are on app, and then make sure you are on this modem right here on this place right now. So now go ahead and paste the prompt right here just like this, and then go ahead and click on generate right here on this place. Wait for Stitch AI to create everything, generating the UI UX. So now that Stitch AI have generated the UI UX design for you right here, just as you can see it right now on your screen, go ahead and highlight everything right, and then go ahead and click on export on this place right here. Firstly, export to AI Studio right here on this place, and then go ahead and check it out right here. AI Studio is popping up on a new tab, and all the HTML and the image will pop up right here just like this. Then head over to the Stitch again, and then go ahead and click on export again. Then you will actually see where it says zip. Go ahead and click on it, then go ahead and export on zip file right here so that you can download the zip file of this UI UX design right here on this your Google AI Studio. Make sure you go ahead and be downloading each of these HTML right here just like this. Then make sure you target any of the HTML that is available right here. Download them one by one. After you have downloaded all the .html file right here on this your Google AI Studio right here, just go ahead and go straight to this place where it says Cloud AI right here, and then go ahead and click on this plus icon, and then go ahead and click on add file and folder. Then make sure you go ahead and copy all this folder right, which is the .html files right here. After you have imported the .html file into this Cloud AI here, go ahead and paste this prompt on this place, and then go ahead and click on send message. While Cloud AI is doing its work right here, head over to your file manager. Inside download folder, you will find this folder where it says zip file right here. Unzip the file right here straight to inside your gallery so that you can have the folder available right here. Then name this folder according to this specific app right here. But if you like this specific name that Stitch AI give to this app for you, it's okay. But me myself, I will just leave it at this. Okay, then head over to where it says file, click on it, then you will see where it says new window on this place. So wait for it to load down a new window for you to import that file that you literally zip out. So now go ahead and click on this place right here where it says open folder, and then you will find yourself right here. Locate the specific folder right here so that you can literally go ahead and import the folder straight inside this your Antigravity. So this is the folder right here. Select it and click on this place. Then you will find the folder available right here. Then all we just have to do is just for you to go ahead straight to your Chrome browser and head over to this Cloud AI. Now Cloud AI have literally created everything for us, and head over to the Antigravity on this place right here, go ahead and make sure you are on this modem right here on Antigravity. Then just go ahead and paste this prompt on this place right here. Go back to your folder right here, and then you are on download folder. All this .html file, go ahead and copy all of them. Copy all of them straight to inside this folder right here that you literally import straight to Antigravity. Just like come straight to your Antigravity right here, you find this place just like this. Then go ahead and drag this .html image straight to this chat section right here. Drag them one by one, and after then go ahead and click on submit, which is send right here, telling Antigravity to head over to work right here. Give Antigravity a time so that Antigravity can literally create everything for you right here step by step. So after Antigravity have give you something like this, go ahead and paste this prompt again, and then go ahead and hit on this place right here so that Antigravity can literally generate APK, build it on Android right here for you. So after Antigravity have generated or released APK file and the AAB for you just like this, then just go ahead and check the app out right here, review the app and see if the app is literally what exact thing that you literally want. So to do that, go straight to the folder right here, the specific folder that you literally created initially from Fish AI that is on download. So go ahead and click on it right here. This is it, and click on build right here also. So this is the APK file right here. Then go ahead and select the APK file, copy the APK file, go ahead and take it straight to your mobile phone on this place, and then go ahead and put it in any of the file of your choice right here. Then head over to your mobile phone on your emulator right here on your phone. Go ahead and click on file. Then just go ahead and click on app right here on this place. You find yourself right here, click on app install. You will find the app available right here. So go ahead and click on the app right now, then install the app straight inside your phone. So this is the app right here. Let me click on it right now. So this is how the app looks like right here. You can type anything right here and then translate it to any language of your choice. So these are all the languages available right here that you can just translate your language to it. So everything is literally available right here for you to use. You can select any language of your choice. So you can just go ahead and click on voice right here and then translate your voice to any whatever voice that you literally want right here on this place. Then you can literally go ahead and conversate with anybody right here just by speaking on a normal conversation on this place. You can see everything on the app is literally working right here. After you have previewed the app and check everything inside the app that the app is literally working really good, let's go ahead and add some video ads so that advertisement will be showing inside the app. So to do that, head over to your Chrome browser and then go ahead and search for AdMob. So Google AdMob right here showing on this your screen. Then just go ahead and click on sign in right here. Then click on no right here, and then you just have to select the country that you are on this place. So there are a lot of country available right here. Okay, so next thing, you just have to go ahead and click on I have agreed and read to the terms and conditions. Then you just have to go ahead and click on start using AdMob. So what you just have to do, just for you to go ahead and verify your profile, make it look like this right here, just as my own right here is literally verified and my address is also verified completed. Now head over to this place where it says app right here, and then just go ahead and click on add app right here. Then if you are building Android app, click on this place right here, or if you are building iOS, click on this place. So now just go ahead and click on no right here, because my app, this particular app, is not yet on Google Play Store. But if you have post the app on Google Play Store, click on yes. Okay, so just go ahead and click on continue, and then put in the name of the app right here. Then you click on add app, click on done right here, and click on add ads unit. So when you click on it, you will find all the ad units available right here. So there are a lot of them right now available right here, showing on this screen right here. So add each of them just by clicking on select on this place. Then just go ahead and give it a name, and then you just have to go ahead and leave this on tick. Then just go ahead and click on create ad units right here. So go ahead and copy all this instruction available right here, and then make sure all these ones right here is literally copy and lock side. Then you click on done right here on this place, and then take everything straight to Antigravity, and then just go ahead and paste this prompt right here. Make sure you go ahead and edit this right here. Anywhere that you see add unit, go ahead and paste the add unit right here. Do them one by one, just like this. So I will drop this particular prompt on my YouTube video description. So just go straight to this my profile, go ahead and watch this video on YouTube, and then you will find a way to get all these prompts right here. Go ahead and click on done. It will take you straight back to the add unit again. Then go ahead and also click on add unit, and then you go ahead and select another add unit right here on this place right now. So give it a name again, and then you just go ahead and click on create add unit. Then go ahead and copy everything right here one by one, just like this. Then head over to the anti-gravity again. Go ahead and paste it right here on this prompt again, just like as I'm doing it right now. Remove the one that is on it right here. Then go ahead and paste the one that you literally copy. So do them accordingly right here, just as I'm doing it right now. Make sure you do that correctly, don't make mistake. After then, you go ahead and click on send. So video ads will be integrated right here on the app. After then, you just have to go ahead and post the app on Google Play Store. So to do that, head over to Chrome browser again and search for Google Play Store right here, just as it is right here, which is Google Play Console. If you find yourself right here, you just have to go ahead and create an account. So you just have to go ahead and click on get started right here. If you are clicking on get started right here, just know that you are not creating a business account, you are creating a personal account. So if you are clicking on get started right here, organization account, you literally know that here you are just creating a business or a company account. So the different are real. So if you literally want to be using organizational accounts on this particular place right here, I will literally advise you to use organizational account, but there are some other things that you literally need to implement, which is the DOS number and a business profile in your country. So to create a DOS number, which is DUNS number, is literally free, and I can help you to do that, but you will only pay for my time. Now, if you are creating a personal account on this place, just know that you just have to pay 25 USDT, and then you still need 12 tester right here. So this is right here. When you click on it, this is whatever you need right here on this place, so that you can get your Google Console account available for you to post app on Google Play Store. So head over to YouTube. There are a lot of video tutorial about this Google Console and how you can post app on Google Play Store. So go ahead and watch them, because I will not have that much time to literally be guiding you through step by step on how to do this, because it's literally a long process. Okay, so if you literally want to book my session on this, I'm available right here. Now, I literally want to end this video right here. I will see you in my next video right here. Bye bye for now. Peace out.